Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Ulefone Power Armor 18. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, set it up by tapping on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Ulefone. When you're ready, go back to Samsung and using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to hit allow a couple of times and then access your files. When you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, below Enter the key. Type in all of those numbers and click on Download afterward Add. In order to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Allow camera access in the pop-up after closing an ad. And just point your device's camera at the code. Then wait. As you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!